Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit, and healthy. Welcome to our English session. We will learn from English Treasure textbook, chapter number 3, that is The One Straw Millionaire. Okay, so here you can know one means one, single, and straw means the the cereals means the oats, rice, wheat, that the after extracting the rice wheat, the a thick thin स्ट्रिक लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, ओके, हिंदी में उसे पुआल जैसा बोलते हैं, ओके, तो वो दैट इज़ कॉल्ड स्ट्रॉ, नॉट जो हम ड्रिंक के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, ओके, दैट स्ट्रॉ दैट इज़ कम फ्रॉम सीरियल्स, ओके, फ्रॉम प्लांट्स. And millionaire means those who have lots and lots of money, million, billion money. Okay, so in this we will learn about a one straw millionaire, a person who become very rich. Okay, then which is your favorite folk tale that you know? Okay, you will tell me in Google Meet. Okay, then now we will start the chapter. Here, a Japanese folk tale about a story means a story is about a value of listening to advice, having faith, and appreciating all things great and small. Okay, so here a tale telling that a story telling that about the appreciation, having faith in oneself, and appreciate all things great, even if small. Okay, so let us start. Here, a long time ago, there lived a penniless young man in Japan. Nothing that he did turned out to profitable one day. He prayed this desperately. Okay. Long year ago, a penniless without any money, who doesn't have any money. Okay. So that young man live in Japan. Japan, you know, it is a like India, America, it is also a country, okay, where Japanese people live in. He has nothing to have, okay, to make it profit. One day he prayed desperately means बहुत इच्छा से, okay, he very much desperate to buy take something. Desperate means बहुत इच्छा. Okay, so let's start. I have always been honest and hardworking, but my hard work has never been rewarded. Canon, goddesses of mercy, please send me some luck. Okay, so that boy, their temple, you know that everyone has their temple, so he has also the temple, gone to temple, and Canon, the goddess of mercy, we have like all, you know that all the god are one, but we worship in different country, different state, we worship along with their different name. So their goddesses is Canon. Okay, he want to tell her that please give me some luck. I am doing very hard work, I am very honest, but my hard work and honest are not rewarded, means not having any fruit that can, fruit means खाने वाला नहीं, fruit means any extra effort that I'm putting that have no of that have no use of. Okay, even if I am honest and being a hard work, कभी कभी हम बहुत 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 हार्ड वर्क करते हैं, तो वी हैव ज़ीरो मीन्स ज़ीरो रिजल्ट, कुछ नहीं मिलता है कभी कभी, राइट. देन he prayed the whole day and then fell asleep on the steps of the Shirin. He had a dream. So here Shirin means temple. Okay, यहाँ पे टेम्पल बोलते हैं, द जापानीज दे टेल इट शेरन. ओके, ही प्रे होल डे, ओके, and fell asleep. He slept at the temple and he dream of a, okay, he had a dream. So what he dream? So here he dream of, when you wake up in the morning, you will fall. As you fall, you will grab something that will be of great value. Cherish what you have in your hand and go west. So he dream of that goddesses, and what she told, that when you wake up in the morning, you fell, you आप गिर जाओगे. Okay, as you fell, you will grab something, you will have something. Okay, as you fall, you will touch something, you will grab something. Okay, that will a great value. It may be anything, but it have a great value to in your hand. Okay, cherish means care about something deeply. So you will care about that thing and take in your hand and go towards your west. Okay, the next morning he wake up, he fell, his open outstretching hand grabbing hold of a straw. Then next morning he fell down, and he opened his hand. As we woke up in the morning, so what we did, we stretch our body like we are having a pain. Okay, we stretch our body to make a warm up. Okay, so he stretches two hands and grab hold a straw. Okay, then if actually he fell, and then he stretch his hand, so he hold a straw. Okay, then what do I do with the straw? Then he think of, what do I do with the straw? You can see in the picture. Okay, a thin straw. Then a pretty flower was lying nearby. The young man took the flower and tied it to one end of the straw. So that he saw a pretty flower, okay, near him, and that young boy, what he did, he tied that one end towards the straw. He tried it toward the straw. Okay, then, oh well, Canon knows best. I will just take the straw and walk toward the west. I know my goddesses know well, so I take the straw and walk toward the west as that she instructed me. Okay. In, then on the way, do you want this? Flower, I want. Okay. Then on his way, he met a old lady with a small boy. Okay, so he tell that boy, you want this? He thought that he want to give, what he want to do with that straw and flower. So he thought that, shall I give this to this boy? Let it be. Okay, he will be happy. Okay, so that boy started shouting, flower, I want. So then what he did, that old lady, it's not much, but please take these oranges in return. They, in that time, maybe they exchange with that things, not with the money, right? Sometimes. Okay, the lady gave him 3 oranges. Okay, then he said thank you, and he gave that straw with the flower to that boy. Then he continued walking west, and suddenly the young mistress has suddenly taken ill. She wants some water. What happened? Okay, then I don't have any water, but I do have oranges. So he continued walking toward the west. Okay, suddenly saw a lady. Okay, a young girl, and with the old man. That old man tell that you have water. She want water, she is not feeling well. Okay, so he asked that that young boy asked that, what happened? I don't have water, but I have oranges, you can take this. Okay, the lady eat a couple of oranges and start feeling well. So couple of oranges means 2 apples, 2 oranges. Okay, so she eat that lady eat that oranges, and she's feeling much better. Okay, then having the oranges have made me feel better. Thank you. I will never forget you, your kindness. Please take this roll of silk. So that lady have a roll of silk. She told that boy that I will never forget you. You helped me. So I don't have anything money to give you. So please take this roll of silk. Okay. You know silk is very expensive. Okay, because this silk is extracted from the silkworm. It is a very small kind of insect. Okay, then a straw become 3 oranges, and those become 3 rolls of silk. My luck is indeed improved. Okay, first he have holded a straw, then he have 3 oranges, then oranges given to that lady, and the lady gave him 3 rolls of silk. Okay, that you know silk is, I know I told you that it is very expensive. Okay, then he thought that I am lucky indeed, that I am improving with my bad situations. Okay, next, so he continued on his way west and met a samurai. Samurai means an ancient Japanese warrior. So he continued towards walking towards west and meet a Japanese warrior. Okay, then I will trade my horse for the bundle of silk you are carrying. But that horse is dead, that boy told. Then that warrior said, no, he is not. He is just resting. So that Japanese warrior, tell that I will trade my horse for the bundle of silk you are carrying. You are carrying. I will give the trade means exchange. I will exchange this horse to the bundle of silk that you have. आपके पास जो सिल्क है वो उसके एक्सचेंज में मैं आपको हॉर्स दे सकता. ओके, द बट दैट बॉय टोल्ड, बट ही इज डेड. दैट वॉरियर टोल्ड, नो, ही इज जस्ट resting, means he is asleep, little bliss. Okay, asleep. Then just my luck to be stranded with a tired horse. No warrior, no worries, I will take him in. So stranded means left without the means of moving anywhere. Okay, so he thought that I am it is my improving my luck. Okay, but no worries, I will take that horse to with me. Okay, then once the horse was rested, they went on walking till they came across the mansion. Okay, they are walking. He take that horse and he went on walking, and he crossed across a mansion. A mansion is large house. Okay, very large house is called mansion. Okay, then now that you are rested, let's see if I can get you some food and shelter for the night. That boy has nothing, but how caring he was, that he was thinking about that horse. The horse has already taken rest. He has something, he want that horse to eat something, so he was searching for the food and shelter for the night. Okay, even the boy continues walking towards the west. Okay, then the owner of the mansion, a rich merchant, met him. So that owner of that mansion, means that big house owner, met that boy. What a fine horse, I will give you 1,000 pieces of gold for it. So that owner told, wow, what a horse, I can give you 1,000 pieces of gold. You know that 1,000 have 3 zeros. Okay, so he will give you 1,000. That owner give them 1,000 pieces of, that is gold. 1,000 तो कितना बड़ा अमाउंट होता है. ओके, 1,000 have 3 zero. Okay, so 1,000 have 3 zero. So that pieces, he will give that 1,000 pieces of gold to that boy in exchange of horse. Okay, then On hearing this offer, the young man fainted in shock. If we shock, we obviously feel fainted means चक्कर आना. Fainted means चक्कर आता है उसे. Okay, सुन के. I say, are you all right? Daughter, this man had fainted. Bring some water and a blanket. So that owner told his daughter that this boy is fainted. चक्कर आके गिर गया. अब give some water and blanket means कंबल भी लाओ उड़ाने के लिए. Okay. Then, Father, this is the man who helped me with the oranges. Nice to see you again, young lady. That lady was the lady who is fainted and that this boy has given him 3 oranges. Right? That girl he again met. Then that boy told, very nice to see you again. Then that owner told that lady's father, you seem to be a kind-hearted fellow. I have been looking for a match for my daughter. I will like to give you her hand in marriage and make you the heir to my state. So that owner told, you are very kind, so I want you to marry my daughter, and I will give you heir means someone who will inherit all the property of money when its owner died. So that he want to give the property to his daughter as well as that boy who will marry his daughter. Okay. Then, I will never let you down, sir. So if somebody believes on you, you will never let him or her down. Okay. Then, all the fellows telling that there goes one straw millionaire. Of course, they will tell that one straw millionaire. एक छोटे से straw से उसे इतना बड़ा प्रॉपर्टीज़ मिला. दैट वो ऐसे नहीं मिला. कैसे मिला? उसने मेहनत की. उसने नहीं सोचा था दैट द स्ट्रॉ विद द स्ट्रॉ ही विल मैरी अ with that help he continues his willingness honesty to the millionaire place. Okay. Then I will never forget the goddesses and lesson. Even a piece of straw can be thing of great value. I will always work hard and be grateful. So that boy told that goddesses actually helped me. Okay. And even if a piece of paper straw can make such value, that it will always work hard and be grateful. So what is the moral of the story is, the thing which you have, it is not small. Okay. And it is not worthless also. जो आपके पास है, that is enough for you what God has given, because he think that what you deserve, he will give such a thing to you. Okay. अब आप देखते हो पुअर के पास, पुअर को ज़्यादा poor feel very hungry but he doesn't have anything, and we have lots of things, but what we doesn't want to eat anything. Okay. पुअर को दाल चावल दे दोगे तो she will पुअर will eat that, बट हम दाल चावल देंगे what, हाँ मुझे नहीं खाना है, I don't like this, I only like fast food. if उनको सिर्फ दाल चावल मिल जाएगा, they were happy because something is better than nothing. कुछ नहीं है उससे अच्छा कुछ हो तो अच्छा है, ऐसा. Okay. And even if you have a little, but you should be more than happy, because because God also, by sitting up, that he wants to see that how much I will give to my fellows, that they will happy. Okay. So students, this chapter is over, and I hope you like this chapter and understood the moral that what I told you. Okay. Watch the video carefully. Thank you everyone.